off your lazy butt. Okay, it's my house. Well, whatever. Okay, what do you want to do? Ouch. Have you eaten breakfast yet? No. Okay, I'll cook. What do you want to eat? Bones. Okay.
10 minutes later.
Done. Okay, which color? Purple. Okay. I'll have brown.
Ten minutes later.
That was good. Yeah. You're a really good cook. Thank you. Bow. I have to go to the bathroom. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi. That was really fast. I know. Do you want to play with my rope? Sure. No. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. That was awesome. Yep. You want me to go put it back? Sure. Okay. Text. Yeah, okay. Go get your phone. Okay. Okay. And send. And send. Seriously? Well, it's the only thing I could think of. Oh, okay. Okay, put my phone over here. Okay. Do you want to take Bunny for a walk? Sure. Wake up! Say what? Why didn't you make your bed? Because I fell? Well, make your bed, okay? Excuse you? What? Oh, hey. You do it. Whatever. Okay. Leash. In, now. You're not my mom. In, now. Okay, you're my mom. I have to go to the bathroom first. Okay. Shh. Ow. Okay. Ow. I'm really clumsy. Yeah, you are. I'll take him. Stand up, you little rascal. Okay, that was... Come on. Heavy. Get out. Ouch. Ow. Sorry. Go to your bed. Okay. Gladly. Okay. I'm bored. Me too. Oh, do you want to play with my ball? It's my new ball. Sure. Okay. Ball! Whoa. Whoa! Ah! Come back here. Come back here. Okay. What you do is play with it. I got that. Played with it. Not like that. Boring. Well, okay. Oh, I have to go to the store real quick. Okay, I'll be on my bed. Yeah. Hmm.
10 minutes later.
Hi. Hi. OMD. What is that? It's for you. Ow. Why did you do that? Sorry. Open it. Okay. Wait. What? I have to get my phone. Okay. What are you doing? Texting my friend. Okay. Ugh. Money! Yeah. Move. Money. 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 1 dime. This is awesome. I got $100. Actually, it's whatever. Okay. That was fun. Remember when I said $100? Yeah, that was fun. Okay. Let's exercise. Ow. Okay, enough exercising. What should we do? I think we should fix his bed. Stupid. So hard. There we go, finally. Okay. Oh, I want to go to bed. Okay. And that was Littlest Pet Shop Sleepover. Stay tuned for part 2.